Hello world, welcome back to Razor RC, doing a little preview video today of a new product I received from TDK Repair. These are a couple of tire sauces that just came out on the market a couple weeks ago. So for those of you not familiar with tire sauces, basically in any form of motorsports, really the connection between your car and the track is through your tires, and so tire preparation, tire compounds, all that good stuff is really key to having the best performing RC car for racing. And so in the indoor racing world, on dirt, clay, I think probably AstroTurf and carpet as well, I don't really run on those surfaces, but a big part of tire preparation is what's called saucing or doping or juicing, a bunch of different terms, but typically it's referred to as tire saucing. And what tire sauces are a way to basically soften up the rubber on your tires, provide more traction, provide more grip, and basically get your RC car to drive faster around the track. So there are a lot of tire sauces on the market today. What I actually run typically is this Liquid Wrench lubricating oil. So this is obviously easily available on the market. You can find it at all auto shops and all kinds of places, but is also obviously not the most eco-friendly or safe product that you could be using or handling. So pretty much the tire sauces that are on the market today consist of things like diesel, kerosene, WD-40, all kinds of petroleum distillates, brake cleaners, and what I use, the Liquid Wrench stuff. And they're all basically pretty hazardous to your health, hazardous to the environment, and just not very good products in general to be using. They are not intended to be used as tire sauces. They just happen to work really, really well in that capacity. So anyways, it's a part of the hobby, probably my least favorite part of the hobby, because these are hazardous chemicals we're handling. I see people, handling it with their hands, touching the tire sauces, eating potato chips while they're saucing, all kinds of nasty stuff that they really should not be doing. In addition, the fumes tend to be quite hazardous as well. So anyways, long story to explain what tire sauces are. And what happened was TDK Repair, I think they're a company based out of Arizona if I'm not mistaken, but basically they came out with the world's first safe, non-toxic, biodegradable tire sauce. And I saw this get announced on their YouTube channel. So they have a pretty good YouTube channel. They review RC products as well, actually high quality videos. And I saw them announce that they had released two tire sauces. So they had their high grip tire sauce and then their odorless tire sauce. So they kind of have a high aggressive tire sauce and kind of a medium aggressive tire sauce. But they announced they had basically these new tire sauces that were environmentally friendly, non-toxic, recyclable, all that, all the kind of the buzzwords that really appealed to me, being someone that's concerned with the existing tire sauces on the market today. So I actually reached out to them. They didn't contact me. I contacted them, asked them if they'd be interested in me getting an evaluation set of these two sauces. And so they were gracious enough to send that out to me. So these are the packages they come out in. And so as you can see, they come in these little metal cases and stuff like that, and with a little tire applicator. I think these are typically used for things like PVC glues and stuff like that, but pretty common for tire sauces. But as far as I can tell, it's pretty cool. They have actually material safety data sheets you can check out online at, I think it's tdkrepair.com, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, they don't list it here. Anyways, yeah, they have the material safety data sheets. They tell you actually what the main ingredients in these tire sauces are. Most of the tire sauces on the market today don't tell you anything about them. You have no idea how dangerous they are, what kind of chemicals they're using, what kind of protection or handling concerns you should be worried about. But yeah, they do actually have material safety data sheets out there, so you can check those out. As far as I can tell, they're pretty much based off of like biodiesel fuels, maybe I think it's like coconut based biodiesel, or like other skincare products or hand cleaners and stuff on the market today. So they use pretty much, as far as I can tell, basically environmentally safe and biodegradable and non-toxic materials. So the material safety data sheets are quite impressive in how little hazards they pose. So anyways, just thought I'd shoot this video, show you what I'm going to be reviewing next. I'm going to throw this on my different four-wheel buggies I got on the track, comparing them to my existing tire sauce, the liquid wrench, and seeing how they perform. So yeah, I'm really excited about this. You know, it's probably, I guess, the third sponsored product I'm doing, but really one that I'm interested in. And if they work, I pretty much plan to switch over to these things, because I do not like handling and smelling and dealing with all these other chemicals that, you know, people typically use. So anyways, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe to my channel as always, and look for more videos soon.